Part of the response of the European Union to the theme of sustainability in general is the Green Deal. And an important part of the Green Deal is bioeconomy. In this part of work, we at the Department of Biotechnology, University of Verona, we work on the production of new products, recovery of nutrients, recovery of energy and biofuels, starting from organic material, which can be organic waste, can be bioproducts and co-products coming from the agricultural sector in general. In our department, we work on several sectors of this activity, which in general has the idea to a transition from what is a conventional fossil fuel society to a new society where we use bio-based products. So we can have the use of microalgae to produce nutraceutic components or recovery components from food material. Again, we can use bacteria and yeast to recovery, for example, soils, or in general remove pollutants, or again recovery new products and nutrients coming from organic waste. In this sense, for example, one of the main activities we carried out in these years was dedicated to the production of biofuels, like for example biomethane and hydrogen via biological processes, or on the other hand we can produce material like this, which is actually a polyhydroxyalkanoate. It is a bioplastic produced from bugs, or again we can recover nutrients like this, which is a mix of nitrogen and phosphorus, which is essential for the agriculture of the future, where we can use, of course, with recovered nutrients coming from organic waste. In order to prepare the professionals of the future in this sector, here at the University of Verona we are implementing a number of courses at master level and PhD courses dedicated to these new themes of biotechnology, for example, sustainability in general, or biotechnological courses dedicated to the recovery of resources for the economy of the future.